find the x and y intercept. To find the x and y intercept, you would let x equal to 0 and solve for y, as you would pretend if this were the equation. If x is equal to 0, right here, okay, if x equal to 0, Brian, can you tell me what y would be equal to? Just click on your microphone and answer the question. Again, every time I ask you a question, if you don't know how to answer, we can put the X next to your name. Brian, I didn't check your microphone. I'm assuming your microphone is okay. Go ahead and click on Control F2 at the bottom left and just talk. If x equal to 0, if this were an equation, the question is what is y would be equal to? Okay, I just got some noise. Can we try again?
Y is equal to 2.
Okay, that's right. Y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So this is what your y-intercept would be. X equal to 0, y is equal to 2. And you should show x and y-intercept as a point. Okay. Similarly, if y is equal to 0, we want to know what x is. If y is equal to 0, Eric, you want to try that? If y is equal to 0, what is x is?
X equals 1.
Very good. X equal to 1. So this would be your x-intercept. Some of you, you didn't give me x and y-intercept as a point. That's what it is. X and y-intercept is a point. So if I locate these 2 points, that would be the graph of the line that I'm looking at here. So my line is going to pass through point 2 on y-axis and 1 on x-axis. Now if I say this is equal to, then you're going to have a solid line here going through these 2 points, and that's your line. If it doesn't show equal to, then you have to make this line a dotted line. So this would be the graph of 2x plus y equal to 2. Now the question is, if the solution is to the right or left of this line. Eric, you want to tell me what do you do to find the solutions after you graph the line?
You use 0, 0.
Very good. So use a test point. 0, 0 would be a good test point. If I check and see if this 0, 0 is a solution, if I substitute for each x and for each y 0, then I would get 2 times 0 plus 0 would be 0, 0 greater than 2. Does that make sense, that 0 is greater than 2? Eric?
No.
Okay, so the solution would be to the other side of the test point. So the solution that we are looking for would be to the right of the line, like this. And some of you give me a correct answer on this one, but you didn't have your x and y intercept correctly. So to graph inequality, you need to treat them just like as it's for an equation. Find the x and y intercept for any 2 points, and from there you can graph the line and then use a test point. 0, 0 usually would be a good test point for see if that is a solution. If it is a solution, if it makes sense, then the solution will be to the side of the test point, otherwise should be to the other side. So in this case, will be to the right of that. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow this one, please?